friends. Today I'm going to show you another really easy dry mix to put together, and this one is for ranch dressing, and it is wonderful. So let me tell you what all we got here first. We've got a half a cup of powdered milk. We got a teaspoon of dill wheat. We've got 2 tablespoons of parsley. We got a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of minced onion, a teaspoon of garlic, a half teaspoon of celery salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of brown sugar. You can also add a teaspoon of salt, and you can also use celery seed instead, but I omitted the salt because I'm using celery salt. So with that being said, we got all that together. I'm just going to fold this plate and put it all right in this bowl, because we're going to mix this up really, really good in here. Break up that brown sugar. And you can even, if you want this real nice and smooth, oh my goodness, my hands are clean, but I gotta break that up. If you want this really smooth, you can run it through your little spice grinder if you want, and make it into like a powder. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to store it like this. So you mix that really, really good in there. I got a couple little chunks in there. Alright. Then you just take it and you're going to pour it right into your jar. I got a little wide mouth jar. This stuff is great. And every time you use it, just go like so and give it a nice good shake. But that is wonderful. And when you go to use this, I'll list the directions and the ingredients in the video, not underneath it, but in it. When you go to use this, all you need to do is take 2 good heaping tablespoons of this mix and mix it with 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 cup of mayo, and you have got the most fantastic ranch dressing you'll ever taste. So there you have it, friends. Easy and budget friendly, and probably everything you've already got in your pantry, so it is a pantry staple from your pantry. Thanks for watching.